everyone, welcome to Creative Bath Lab. Welcome everyone, my name is Dora and today I'm showing you how to make confetti bath bombs. Confetti comes in different shapes, sizes, and colors. The confetti colors the water and then completely dissolves. Confetti is a great way to spice up a bath bomb, add unexpected pops of color, and combine different colors for a rainbow effect. You'll need water-soluble paper. I like to cut mine into strips. I find it easier to handle when dyeing. Use liquid colorant. I've linked the ones that I know work. Then add about 1/6 that amount of alcohol. Without the alcohol, the paper crumples really bad, and it also takes about 5 times longer to dry. Lay down material. I'm using part of a recycled Amazon package. Then pour liquid over the paper and move it around to distribute color. The color will seep through the paper. Use this excess color to dip the paper in. I've tried several different ways of doing this. This is by far the easiest and quickest. The color doesn't have to be uniform or even, just get all the white parts dyed, then hang it up to dry, maybe 1 to 3 hours. I recommend coating the paper again. You can coat it as many times as you want, just dry it completely after. Just make sure to dye all white areas on the last coat of dye and then fully cure it. You can also use different colors for an ombre or rainbow effect. Here I'm using purple and pink. This is a small dot, which I make from a hole puncher. My hole puncher can handle 4 layers of paper. Just staple the stack so it stays in position. I think this size, maybe a little bit bigger, is perfect for confetti. If you have those hole punchers with different shapes, those would be awesome for this. This next confetti shape is square. Again, layer sheets of paper to save time. If you wanted to cut even squares, use a paper trimmer with measurements. The rest of the shapes were made with 1-inch hole punchers, or you could even use like a silhouette machine or Cricut. Please refer to the description for the recipe and substitutions. Subscribe now to show your support and for more awesome tutorials just like this. I used liquid castile soap, but you can use any surfactant that you want. The SLSa will slow reactions and make the foam puffy. The confetti will give the fluffy white foam lots of fun color. Divide the interior mix for multiple colors, then add color. Whisk and mix each batch well with your hands. Last, add confetti to each. I added small, multicolored circles to the white and blue squares to the other mixes. I also added chunky eco glitter to each because it's almost the same size as the circles, plus I thought it'd look interesting. Don't add too much confetti. Doing so may jeopardize the integrity of the bomb, making it crumble. Place some confetti in the mold, then add white mix and make an exterior shell. Add interior mix, filling to the top, then lightly pack it. Add loose mix on top. Repeat for other side. Smoosh both sides together tightly until the molds touch all the way around. Then normally you'd have to tap with a spoon to release the bomb, but this mix was on point and I filled it perfectly. Just lightly tap the sides of the bomb to make sure no dents are formed. If so, add more mix. Dry 24 hours. This is the first batch of bath bombs that I made. You can see the beautiful pops of color in the fluffy white foam. However, the interior mix was too dark to see to see the confetti, so I had to remake it with lighter interior colors. So here's the second batch. They may not be as bold and beautiful on the inside, but now you can see those gorgeous random pops of color. A bath bomb like this makes me really happy. Thanks for joining me today. If you make any of my projects, I'd love to see pictures. I found the best way to do that is on Instagram. Just tag me in the photo and it'll automatically show up on my page.